Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubham and you're watching Sketch Guru. So today we are going to see how to draw this beautiful eyes of our Deepika Padukone. So without wasting time, let's start it. Catch 'em all. Hey guys, welcome back. So before starting, let me tell you that I have drawn this left eye before only. So we are going to see the next eye, the right eye. So if you haven't seen my previous video of drawing the eyes, it's above and the eye button. It's detailed full-time video for eyes. You can see this. So now I'm just darkening the inner part of a eyeball, the pupil, and it's just 4B pencil I'm using for that. So now I'm just using a mechanical pencil for drawing the pupil with the sharp edges which we have in the sketch. If you say the reference image, I will show you on the side, the reference image, you can see there. So in middle I'm just going to keep the video at the real time only so that you guys can see actually what's happening, and afterwards I will just increase the speed of the video so that the video don't become too long. So now it's time for drawing the iris. So I'm just using a 2B pencil for this, for shading a base layer for the iris. Just apply the light pressure and even strokes closely. I'm also shading the pupil, the iris dark, the border of the iris dark, so that it don't disappear while blending. So for this you really have to work very slow, don't rush, as I always say. This particular eye took me around 1 hour to 1:31.30 minutes around, I think so. So I just made this video somewhat shorter. I think so it will go around 30 minutes long. So now I'm just shading the inner part with even strokes. Make sure the strokes should not be far away from each stroke. Okay. So what this will happen if you make the pencil strokes far away from each other, while blending it will not get smooth. It will lose some graphite in, it will have some dark tones in middle and some light tones. I'm really sorry about the noise from outside, guys. So actually I want to share something with you guys. There was a guy, I don't want to take his name, so he can't hear, and he was requesting me that please make sure to add the steps in a small subtitles format, or what you are doing, just add small steps in the written. So I really felt very bad about him, but I'm just going to make this for him so that he can learn and see. Even if he can't hear, he can actually read it. It made me very sentimental actually, but I can't stop much. So now I'm just using a HB pencil and just making some iris line as I'm seeing this reference image. If you notice, this eye is looking upward, so it's the iris will not be of a circular shape. It will be somewhat oval shape, and while looking upward, it's actually a very challenging thing to draw this type of iris. If you see that it's like giving a 3D effect to it, it's very difficult. Most of the drawings, if you see, they are looking forward at you rather than looking side. So this sketch, it's pretty hard actually, and I tried my best for doing this. So I'm just creating some iris lines, small lines. So I'm not going to talk the full video. I'm just going to say that watch, learn by just observing. That's all. So I'm just going to tell you the steps, and all you have to do is just practice it. So sketching has to be done like this way only. You have to watch, practice, then make your own things, means learn new things from you, invent something new. So Keep watching it. I will see you soon. So now I'm just blending with my paper stumps the sharp edges, which lines which I have drawn right now. So I'm using a small paper stump, so don't use a big one for this. So now I'm using a 4B pencil to make a more dark edge. So now I'm just going to use some more dark layer, a dark pencil. I'm just using a 6B pencil for now. Make sure to use a layering technique only. I prefer that layering technique. Layering means use a small light pressure, light grade pencil. Then if you want more darker, apply more pressure, or you can just switch to another grade pencil. As you notice, if you press the pencil harder, it will give you a darker tone. Okay, there are two ways to get this tone. If you want, you can only use a 2B pencil and apply some more pressure at some area and get the darker tone, or you can just switch to 3B or 4B pencil and get the darker tones. It's up to you guys. I prefer switching the grades rather than applying a pressure, because the paper may get damaged, and paper damage, if I made a mistake and I have to erase it, it will not be easy for me to erase those things. So I'm just using a light grade to higher grade pencils. For this higher grade also, I'm just using a light pressure, not too much pressure. So it's all about things about pressure and technique, guys. You just have to learn these things. If you want to learn the shading, just take a mechanical pencil and just rub it on the paper. Try to get some even tone on the paper and then blend it. This way you can just learn the shading and sketch some, what do we say, blending. So if you notice that my paper stone has too much of a powder on it, graphite powder, I'm just rubbing it on paper, so I will get a lighter tone. Sometimes I don't make the base layer. I just use a paper stumps to get the base layer. Automatically it will give you this kind of look. If you notice, I haven't given any base layer or base layer. I'm just using the extra powder on the paper stump to blend it. This also gives you a smooth texture, and I like these things to do. So if you notice, I'm just making it more darker. I want this area to be more darker by seeing the reference image. Thank you so much, guys, for staying so long with me. Please do stay some more long and watch this full video, and I will make sure you learn these things pretty much easy rather than anyone else. So I'm now just using a HB pencil, a 2B pencil, to get some darker layer at the iris. If we I always love drawing the eyes because every eye has a different perspective, or what we say, every eye is different. If you notice, the Deepika's eyes are too much like eye speaks with you. So while drawing the sketch, the eyes will interact with your audience directly. And the most facial features, everyone focus on these two things, that eyes, nose and lips. So these are the things which are the main important things. If you make these two or three things perfect, most important is eye, because if you look at any other's face, you first see the eye only, and by seeing the eye you can know that, yeah, this is this person, or this is like a psychology thing. I don't know what is this, but making a eye beautiful makes your sketch look very nice, or what do you say, outstanding. So just practice doing the eyes. So hope you guys love this. So I'm just going to speed up the video soon, so it don't become too much long as you see it. So now I'm just going to speed up, guys. So first, now it's time to draw the darken layer and the eyelashes also. So for eyelashes I'm just creating some eyelashes with the 4B pencil, and eyelashes should be created like a wavy type. Not every eyelashes should be at the same angle or shape. It should follow the path of our eye. After drawing the eyelashes, it's time for making a skin at the bottom skin. as you see, I'm just using a layering technique. I'm using a 2B pencil first, then 3B and 4B, giving a smart swans textures for this. It's actually very time consuming, guys. Don't rush too much. Also, if you want to watch this tutorial in that real time, I have uploaded this tutorial on my Instagram also, on my IGTV. You can see that there. I was live there on Instagram while doing this tutorial, so it was a very interactive session actually. If you missed it, just go and watch it. It's on my IGTV video. You can see there. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like my video. Please follow me on Instagram. I have uploaded some tutorial real time there also on IGTV. You can watch that tutorial also. I was live on there while making this sketch. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like my video. Like, comment, share. This is Shubham Ingole signing off. Take care, be safe, stay home, and learn sketching with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.